If you use a PIN to sign into Windows and you want to remove it, you can. Begin by clicking on the Start button and go to Settings. In the left column, click on Accounts. And to the right, scroll down and click on Sign In Options. On the next screen, click on PIN. And you should see an option to remove your PIN. If yours is grayed out like mine, you can still remove it, but there's an extra step. Further down, under Additional Settings, you'll see an option to only allow Windows Hello sign-in options for Microsoft accounts on this device. Click the toggle to the right of it to turn this option off. Now, close the Settings window, and then go back to the Start menu. Reopen Settings, go to Accounts in the left column, and to the right, scroll down and click on Sign-in Options again. Now when you click PIN, you'll see the Remove option is no longer grayed out. Go ahead and click it. And Windows will ask if you're sure that you want to remove your PIN. Click Remove again, and you'll be asked to enter your account password. Once you're done, click OK, and your PIN will be removed. You can set it up again in the future if you'd like to. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.